Hello everyone, Mike Fleischer here with DPS, Document Preparation Services. In this short video, what I would like to do is show you how it is we are able to do what few others in the industry of credit repair are able to do. Namely, in less than 60 days, we are able to remove all negative items that are impacting or damaging your credit scores. The net positive outcome is that your credit scores will rise substantially. So if you are frustrated with your inability to get a personal or business loan, you're preparing to buy a house, unable to get a car loan or even a credit line, then allow me in the next few minutes to show you some of our client results. Let's take a look. As you see, your scores can change. So if you want an affordable and rapid moving plan for raising your credit scores, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page to get our phone number and call us directly. Or leave your information with us so that one of our credit improvement specialists can call you within 24 hours. We look forward to working with you.